Ahmed. That's a cool little car you've got there. Did you know it runs on solar power?
Yeah, I've heard of solar power, but I don't really know much about it. What is it exactly?
Good question. Solar power is energy we get from the sun. It's one of the cleanest and most renewable energy sources out there. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity using something called photovoltaic cells.
So, sunlight turns into electricity? That's amazing! But why is it so important?
It's super important because it helps us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels like coal and gas, which pollute the environment. Solar power doesn't produce harmful gases, and it's sustainable. As long as the sun is shining, we'll have energy. Plus, it's a great solution for places where electricity isn't easily available.
Wow, I didn't realize solar power could do so much. How much energy is produced by solar power worldwide?
As of now, the world generates over 1,000 gigawatts of electricity from solar power. That's equal to the energy used by hundreds of millions of homes. And the number keeps growing every year as more people and businesses switch to solar.
That's incredible! Thanks, Fizza! Now I know why solar power is so important.
You're welcome, Ahmed. Remember, the more we use renewable energy like solar, the cleaner and brighter our future will be.